everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your SafePal account. To delete your SafePal account, follow these steps. Open up your SafePal application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the home page of SafePal, tap on the wallet drop-down at the top of the screen right next to the bell icon. This will open up My Wallets tab. From your wallet list, tap the three dots right next to the wallet you want to delete. Now, under Wallet Details, you will be able to see these information. Before proceeding to delete your account, make sure that you export your public key, private key, or your mnemonic phrases. If you haven't backed it up yet, simply go ahead and tap on any one of these three options. If you need to recover your wallet later, you must ensure to have your seed phrase backed up. Tap on the backup button and tap on either backup to iCloud or tap on backup manually. Check all the boxes and click on the understood button. Enter your wallet's passcode or your password and you will be able to see your mnemonic phrases in the order. Write down the mnemonic phrase in the same order on a piece of paper and store it somewhere secure. After backing up your wallet, get back to the Wallet Details page and tap on Remove Wallet. Click the Delete button. Once again, enter your security password and you will then be able to delete your SafePal wallet. So that is how it's easily done. You have effectively deleted your SafePal account. If you ever need to restore or get back your wallet account in the future, you can do so with the help of your security phrase or the seed phrase. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again